before having to know you detail about the reasons why you take this vocational school as your further study in high school. Why don't you tell me about yourself, your family, and how do they support you regarding the choice of studying in the school?
So my name is Muhammad Diaul Haq. You can call me Diki. I am now 15 years old, and my hobbies include 3D modeling, wall climbing, and coding. My father works in PLN as a manager of distribution academy,
Mm-mm.
and my mother works as a house mom, a housewife.
Regarding the support from your family?
The support from my family is that actually my family is the one who introduced me to this school actually.
Oh, I
I
see.
before
So it was your parents. Okay.
before I didn't know anything about SMK Telkom, but after my mom searched about schools that have coding programs like computer science programs, she got information from a friend about SMK Telkom, and that's where my mom and me found out about SMK Telkom.
Okay. Aside from uh, your your mother preference for you to study in this institution, actually, do you have any other option aside SMK Telkom that you actually put other interests as well?
No, not really.
Okay, that's good. So you finally make up your mind. You are determined. You are determined that SMK Telkom will be the first choice.
Yes.
Mm-mm. Okay, so what have you learned about this vocational school, especially those stream or those especially class that you are applying?
Well, what I have learned about is the International Class Program or ICP, where it's almost 100% using English. I've also heard about PG, pengembangan game or game development. That is a new subject in SMK Telkom. Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
is that all? And is there any opportunity apart from English mungkin nak yang penting kamu tahu, apart from English as a medium of communication, is there any opportunity for student in the middle of the study going overseas to have apa ya, observatory class overseas, to have kunjungan ke mana overseas?
I don't know.
Kali Kali ya. Tapi cara jawabnya jangan gitu jawabnya. And perhaps there are some opportunities during our active study to visit overseas for comparative study or for short visit to short visit to Singapura ya umum banget, tidak harus menjadi sekolah SMK IC International Class Program.
Nggak
Itu
ada.
aja kan jawabnya begitu. And I think there might be some good opportunities. Kono nak, I don't know.
Tapi nggak ada
Jadi
emang.
memberikan kemungkinan yang positif.
Oh,
Malah nek
apa itu?
mek Inggris tok, gak spesial nak nek mek Inggris tok.
The class is also much smaller
Iya, okay. The size of the class is smaller. Okay.
with fewer students.
Yeah. Oke, itu number itunya. Kali program-programnya kamu pelajari lagi.
Tapi emang itu
Soalnya
toh.
menurutku, mosok no, paling kok belum terinformasi dengan baik mungkin belum dapat informasi mungkin.
Tapi dari
Ya,
umurku, dari informasi yang sudah didapat ya emang itu tak.
ya wis. Ya banyak kalau kayak gitu, tapi ya karena dia mungkin sekolah kedinasan atau apa ya mungkin ya oke dah. Ya siapa tahu nanti dengan bertambahnya waktu kamu nanti itu apa ada informasi lain gampang kamu kamu orangnya cepat belajar bahasa Inggris kok kalau menyelipkan benefitnya SMK aja it's a piece of cake gampang lah. Oke nah oke then um, saking banyak pertanyaan kita kemarin aku sampai lali saya jawab pertanyaan ini. SMK-nya. During your previous schools in SMP blah 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 or homeschooling school that you have already undertaken, uh, could you please tell me some subjects that you are more interested in and some subjects that you didn't really enjoy?
Some subjects that I really enjoy is science, specifically physics and maybe chemistry. I don't really like biology, but if it's about zoology, about animals, I will
Mm-mm.
also like that as well. I am not really a big fan of mathematics, and I also doesn't really like history.
History. Okay. All right. You don't really like history. All right. What extracurricular activity have you ever joined? Did you ever join during your previous school?
Wall climbing club,
Okay.
English club,
All right.
and some extra classes for my academics as well as computer science.
Interesting. That's really interesting. Uh, you know that despite English as a primary communication in the class, we usually screen the student in the very first time with standardized English test, which is TOEFL. The first question regarding this test is, have you ever taken this test before? And if it has been taken, what was your score you have ever got?
Wait, so that's a question.
Mhm.
Well,
Have you ever taken one of the standardized English tests? If it is, what is the score?
I haven't taken any kind of standardized English test actually.
Mm-mm. But if gini loh, but if the management of the school provide the kind of test, I'm really glad to have it. I don't have any doubt to take it. Itu aja. Siapa tahu disediakan gratis paling. But yeah, if this school has it and offer to the students, I will be very happy to take it. Karena memang kan TOEFL ada yang prediksi, ada yang ITP. Nah, prediksi murah, paling 150, 200. Biasanya gitu aja cukup untuk SMK biasanya. Tapi kalau untuk beasiswa ke luar negeri, ke ASEAN, yang Singapura dan lain-lain, dia butuh TOEFL yang lebih standar itu TOEFL ITP. Oke. Okay, regarding your personal interest, what do you like to do every weekend with your family? Or you have your own activity every weekend without family, perhaps?
Every weekend, usually we do housework like taking out the trash as well as sometimes fixing some things in the house that needs fixing.
That's good. Suka aku. Suka aku lihat that need fixing. Okay.
But if there is nothing really to do, well, I usually watch anime. or maybe do some of my other hobbies like 3D modeling.
City modeling.
3D.
What is that?
So I build things out of I build 3D objects. Like usually I play with Lego while doing 3D modeling, but sometimes I would also use my computer to make a 3D design.
Nice. Okay, nice. Since when have you played this? Since when have you been interested in these things? And why? Why? What particular reason have you chosen this kind of activity?
Because for me it's fun and it allows me to express my creativity and keeps me from being bored.
Nice, excellent. Okay. So, um, you are originally from Malang or from other cities?
My mother is Malang, my father is Jakarta, but I was born in Bengkulu.
So, how long had you been? How long had you been in Bengkulu?
Not long, maybe
So you have little, so you have little remembrance. You have a little, apa ya, little knowledge about Bengkulu in general.
yes. I don't even speak the language.
Okay. All right. So you cannot compare the enjoyment of living in a three different cities.
Yes, I can.
Okay. All right. You might be too small at that time to remember about your childhood. Okay. All right. So we talk about Malang. Since which education have you already spent? Since which education have you already got regarding staying in Malang?
Since TK.
Kindergarten. All
Yes,
right.
since
It means that
kindergarten.
you have many good things, many good things about living in Malang City. All right. What do you think the best part and what are the weaknesses of living in Malang?
The best part of Malang is that there is a lot of places for food or cafes.
Okay, that's the
Sometimes,
first thing.
hmm?
Hmm? Yeah, that's the first thing about food.
Yes. Sometimes we could try something new. Sometimes we could just eat the ones that we already know. And a lot of the times we found new places with yummy food. Now, the disadvantage of Malang is that Malang is very much a bit crowded sometimes. Like there's a lot of times where the road is full of cars and motorcycles that isn't really moving. A lot of traffic jam, especially around the weekends.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
What about mm, what about the education? Do you think that Malang, as one of, yeah, let's say relatively smaller city, relatively small city, has already met your expectation about having excellent education center?
I don't know.
You personally, you
Mm.
personally think that Malang has a very good schools, private government schools, even university is pretty competitive. So that what I
Well,
mean here is
I
that when you think about university, you still keep thinking about Malang as Malang as the study destination. If you relate with your itu nak uh, if you think about field of study, if you think about study concentration, cukup Pak UB, cukup Pak UM, binus itu ekonomi ya kayak. Cukup Pak, ya itu aja, mana lagi? Swasta mana swasta bagus? Yang komputer mana nggak ada. So you only think about two government institution, at least Malang and UB dan UM. What do you think? Kan saya nggak tahu.
I don't know. I don't really. I haven't really
Ini,
researched about computer
ya,
science in any
in
universities
those
yet.
universities.
I've
But I
only.
think gitu aja loh,
Hmm?
kasih sesuatu yang positif.
Hmm?
But I think those institutions provides computer science, but I do not go deeper searching for the accreditation, searching for the quality. But so far there are computer
Science.
studies. Dari penerawanganku ada sih memang. Akreditasinya pasti bagus, tapi kan siapa tahu nggak tertariknya ke universitas yang lain. Tapi at least kamu menjawab dengan itu positivity, dengan sesuatu yang positif. Oke. Si. You told me that one of the strength that you have and the reason why taking SMK Telkom is due to the use of English as a communication, primary communication using English. Okay. What can you tell me about your previous history of learning English formally and informally?
Well, learning English formally, well, it could start from my elementary school, but I don't really learn a lot of my English from elementary school, just some basics. I actually learned a lot about English since I was small, and English is my first language actually.
English is your first language. Nice. It means you have much frequency. You have frequency. You have high frequency of using English.
Yes, in my home, almost everyone but like uses English except for my father. But he still tries to learn English because he wants to communicate with me using English.
Interesting. Although he may not be able to speak English fluently, he had a very strong intention to
Yes.
speak with his children. That's good. That's a very good environment for those thinking about the importance of English as a foreign language. Okay, interesting. Okay, why don't you tell me about your siblings? What do they do right now?
I have two siblings, one older sister and one younger sister. My older sister is currently studying in PANS, also known as uh, Polytechnic Universitas. Tunggu. Mother, what's kepanjangannya PANS?
Politeknik Negeri Surabaya. Sebentar, ada seseorang.
Politeknik apa tadi? Politeknik Elektronika Negeri Surabaya. And for my younger sister, she is currently on a play date to to her, in her friend's house. Ma'am?
Oh, yo, Mayo. Ya, ya. Oke, oleh kertas-kertas. Oke. Alright. Apa tadi pertanyaannya lupa? Tadi ada tamu, maaf. What was
Something
that question?
about what are my siblings doing.
Mm-hmm.
So my sister is
Polytechnic.
currently studying in PANS or Polytechnic Elektronika Negeri Surabaya. And my little sister is currently on a play date in her friend's house.
Okay, does it mean that your first sister, the oldest one, um, not doesn't occasionally come to Malang every weekend, right?
Yes,
So there are
she
four
only
people of
comes.
you.
What?
There are only four people of you in the family.
No, not really. So my father only usually comes to Malang every weekend or every holiday
Oh, I see that.
because his office is actually located in Jakarta.
I see. Just know that. Mm, mm. I once met your father. Iki interviewer ketemu bapak iki. I once met your father the very first time when he and your mother came to my house to talk about English preparation for kakak. Okay. Okay then. But with what favorite outing activities with your family when you all gather together?
Eating.
Okay.
When
Eating?
everyone's in Malang, we tend to if we're going outing, we tend to search for a place to eat. Rarely searching place to play or something like that.
Okay. Eating. Uh, do you all favor home cook or restaurant food?
We don't really talk about that. We just
Ya
eat
kan
what
memang
we eat.
hampir semuanya udah tanyakan kok Maggie bingung kata tak apa menel.
Masalahnya kita tidak terlalu memperhatikan itu, kita ya makan kalau ada makan makan, kalau ada
Oh,
makanan ya makan.
yeah, it's okay. That is why your answer is eating. Okay. Yeah, that usually prevails for applies for son, for male child.
What?
They really like to eat. They may not really consider about the choice of food, but as long as it is fulfilling, as long as it is various menu, that's okay. While female tend perhaps are more likely to be more picky towards food. Yeah. Okay.
So
Okay,
ma'am,
nak.
so ma'am is a picky eater.
Terus, so what is actually your future expectation? What in your age, perhaps it is still long way to go to think about cita-cita or future expectation. But this is one of the most common question asked by parents, teachers regarding future expectations.
When I grow up, I want to be a professor in computer science with a lot of pet reptiles.
With a lot of what?
Pet reptiles.
Apa itu, nak?
Lizards, cold-blooded animals. Does ma'am know? Like chameleon, geckos, iguana, bearded dragon, thorny devil, turtles, tortoise.
Okay. Okay, I got that. Okay, I got that. Um, apalagi ya? Memang sampai sampai ngalor ngidul iku nih pertanyaan nih. Lah kamu sebenarnya sudah cukup cakep nak bahasa Inggrismu nak.
Yang aku
Walaupun tidak native speaker like, I don't care. Yang penting
bukan gitu.
pronunciasinya bagus.
Aku
Kamu critical, kamu
I get cold feet quite easily sometimes. That's a
you
bit of a
quite what?
problem. Cold feet, gugup, nervous.
Gugup ah?
Ya,
Enggak sih. Wong kamu baru ketemu aku, bertemu aku beberapa kali pun saya tidak tampak adanya nervousness, enggak sih? Ya bomenan kok interview.
kan sudah beberapa
Bomenan ada
kali.
interview. Tapi mestinya ya nggak boleh ada situasi seperti itu, nah. Karena kenapa? Aku loh yang ngomong, kamu itu responsif. Kamu itu, ya karena kita ketemu online ya, nggak tahu lagi kalau offline beda lagi. Tapi ya secara umum sih cukup siap. I would not say cukup sebenarnya, siap untuk diinterview. Kamu yakin aja, kamu udah persiapan. Pertanyaan
Sudah.
dari Mem juga sudah banyak. Historimu itu cukup kuat, nak. Kadang-kadang ada pertanyaan yang, ya aku sih nggak ngerekam, tapi saya merasa bahwa I got positive impression from you, your response. It means that in different situation, in different circumstance, condition, what I mean you meet new people, mungkin sudah mulai lebih bisa mengatur psychological status, lebih bisa cukup mengatur pressure. Ini penilaian saya pribadi. Karena kita mungkin udah ketemu speaking, ini kan 3 kali ya. Kemarin-kemarin kan banyak grammar sama vocabulary, mungkin tidak terlihat kemampuan speaking kamu. But I am in my strong perspective that you are ready to be interviewed by any interviewers in any circumstance, in any condition. Cuman sekarang pertanyaannya kali dari mereka mungkin ada yang belum pernah saya tanyakan. Nah, itu kan kamu cukup adaptable. Kamu cukup adaptable. Tapi jangan sampai ngomong I don't know. Tetap aja, but I may not know about this, but from my point of view or to the best of my knowledge gitu, nah, tetap harus ada itunya. Karena siapapun pasti nggak mau kalau yang ditanya akan jawab I don't know. But you try to have the other statement to the best of my knowledge gitu aja. Itu jauh lebih bagus daripada sekedar I don't know. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Apa? Yeah. So, again, this has ever been asked before. If you could reflect on yourself, what strength have you got so far from you? Problems you have encountered so far? And ya itu dulu aja. Problems, strength and weaknesses.
Strength and weaknesses. I guess my strength is first my English. I'm very good at English. Second is my understanding, because if I learn, or if I were to learn something in a way, I
Mm-mm.
am capable of understanding the subject very easily, especially after I make a mind map of it.
Yeah.
And because I'm also quite creative, I also have I also sometimes have some ideas that I to how does a, a subject or something would work. For my weaknesses, I guess I am sometimes very much quite hard-headed. If I think I am right, I would probably keep thinking so. Like, it's hard for me to accept that I am wrong when
Mm-mm.
I'm already sure if I am right.
Okay. So, but in the situation, especially dealing with your weakness, what solution have you already taken into consideration, at least to minimize this characters or this attitude?
Well, I usually keep my thoughts to myself so that it won't really disturb others, and I try to keep an open mind to
Okay. Nice.
suggestions. I've
Okay.
also think of myself in other people's position to understand their perspective.
Uh-uh.
Mm.
To understand the perspective. Okay. Okay. That was well said. Um, then if you are given this question, what will your answer be? Nek kamu hubungkan dengan jawaban-jawaban yang saat tadi sebelumnya. Why should we accept you? Why should we accept you as one of the student in this vocational school of SMK Telkom? Why should we accept you? Nah, kira-kira ya apa ngene iku, Nak?
Why not?
Heeh. Why not?
Uh,
Ya apa?
why
Based
not?
on my
My grades are good. I
yeah.
have very good English,
Yes, okay.
and I've already have
Oh, atau gini
I
aja,
already
Nak.
know
Gini, Nak.
basics of. Hmm?
Betul. I will not have a problems. Jangan is good itu nggak usah, itu terlalu subjektif. I will frankly, I will not have problems in English because blah blah blah. Secondly, I will not have problems in dealing with computers because of my previous background in learning about ibu tadi kamu cerita kenapa udah pernah belajar apa, and itu aja. I will not have problems in, and it is very fortunate that English will be the primary means of communication. So I don't think this is going to be a problem for me. Secondly, dealing with the subject. I have some backgrounds of blah 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 in computer blah blah blah. So belajar di SMK ini akan will greatly support me to learn more about computer science or apa tadi? Apa yang kamu pelajari itu?
Apa itu, RPL, coding,
Tuh, kamu ngomong itu. Aduh,
computer
apa sih?
science,
Computer science tuh jenenge logo apa sih?
3D modeling.
Modelnya. Kamu bilang Java, enggak kamu nggak bilang Java kok. Apa sih?
3D modeling.
Iya paling ya, paling. Aku nggak familiar, tapi ada satu kata yang I missed. Lupa aku apa ya.
Lego.
Oke, itu aja. I will not have problem. I believe I will not have problem. Aduh, I believe. Jangan ngomong my English is good, jangan. Yang mengatakan good atau tidak itu adalah seorang teachers atau seorang tutor.
Okay.
So it is much better to say as objectively as possible. Jangan I mean not this I don't have problems in. Okay? Lagi. Why should we accept you?
Why not? I don't have problems about the English because of my background using English from a very young age.
Yeah,
I
okay.
also wouldn't have any problems with adapting to the new subjects since
Yeah.
I've already had extracurricular classes on computer science and
Sip.
some robotics. Mm,
Apalagi selain akademik apalagi enak ya? Personality apa ya nak ya? Personality. Some people told me that gitu aja loh. Personality. Some friend of mine told me that I have cooperative apa ya? Teman-temanmu tuh nek ngomong kamu ya apa nek bergaul nak?
kelihatan seperti orang yang serius,
Oh, lah kelihatan kalau orang serius itu menguntungkan atau merugikan?
menguntungkan
Kenapa?
karena serius. Because I'm always
Serius nanti kak?
focused on
Ya betul gitu.
the
I'm only
things,
focused
the
on
important things that I need to do, and
that's good.
I'm very uh, apa ya? Kalau rajin itu gimana ya? Kayak aku kalau
Hard
dikasih
worker.
tugas itu mesti tak kerjakan secepatnya gitu.
Oh ya, I'm not procrastinator.
Uh, I'm also not a
Delaying.
procrastinator.
Procrastinator. Procrastinator. Yeah. Okay. Every assignment you have
I
from your
tend to
teachers
do I tend to do my assignments as early on as
in
possible
time. Yeah.
so that I
Okay.
have more time to do other stuff.
That's good.
But
Ya.
I still don't like
Ya
assignments.
itu cara jawabnya begitu. Caranya gitu. Ya itu tadi fokus. I learned that I'm a kind of focused person. What I mean here is dealing with the deadline or assignments deadline. So I mostly tend to finish my assignment, complete my assignment in time before the due date so that I could have another time to do other activities. Gak apa-apa, itu bagus. Itu tadi yang pertama. English will not be a problem because I'm used to having this as a communication since I was very young. Secondly, academic, I can adapt with the academic situations because not only do I like computer science, but I have also learned about things related with computer science since blah 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 when I was in blah blah blah. So studying in these schools is undoubtedly a best choice to sharpen my
Dan tiba-tiba keluar dari Zoom. Halo, ma'am.
Ya nyiapin materi buat anak jam 2 tapi listening dulu jadi sih nyantai nggak apa-apa. Itu tadi ya, jadi dalam jawabnya gitu, why should we accept